The thing I struggled with the most had to be knowing how to format my studying so it could be organized. Every time I went into studying, I had to find different books, different websites, different YouTube videos. And the fact that with your bites, everything was organized and I could just go in and study without having to organize first helped a lot. So I use your bites was number one, the morning bites and the afternoon. And I definitely felt needed that I had the statics. So I went into that deeply. So other than your bites, I actually have reference practice study exam.
Okay.
From the NCEES.
Is it the white practice exam, the white book? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Is that it? Is that all?
Yeah, that's it. That's all I had.
Wow. Okay. So you had so just for the people who are watching this, so I did launch the afternoon course for the civil, and Jacqueline was one of the first students who enrolled, and it was when you took the course, we just had few topics that were missing, right?
Yes. I think you guys made it to environmental.
Right. Okay.
And I took my exam. And honestly, when I actually went for the exam that morning, I looked at your sessions for environmental, and a couple of them actually popped up on the test just from going through your lectures and not actual the problems.
Yeah, a lot of concepts there. We cover a lot of concepts. Yeah, which I'm going to ask you a little bit about that, because when I was actually diving into the afternoon course, I noticed that because now I actually completed the course, we haven't uploaded all the videos, they're still in the editing process. But when I was covering the topics, I noticed these sections that have a lot of conceptual questions. Environmental, we have construction, there's also surveying. You could get some like definitions, and then I said construction already, and transportation. Transportation also has a lot of conceptual questions. So you really need to understand the concepts and writing down the notes. How many times did you watch the course?
I watched your course 3 times.
Okay.
I watched the videos probably 6 to 7 times, just the lectures alone.
Wow. Because that's where the concepts are.
Yes.
Yes.
And it was finally clicking. Like, I wish I had this during school. It was finally like coming together, some of the concepts. I was amazed.
Yes. It's really interesting you say that, because a lot of the students who have the same experience as you, like they really going into the exam, they feel really confident and they answer a lot of the questions really fast. And when I ask them how many times they watch the course, they say the same thing as you said. They watch it a lot of times, and then the clicking part, they said like at the end, it's just like they could see the big picture, like everything comes together, and they can see like almost like two subjects together, like like you can apply mechanics of materials with fluid mechanics, or you're doing a problem in fluid mechanics and you're thinking about statics in it, or or you're doing structural analysis and you're thinking about like statics and mechanics of materials, and everything just you have these
coming together.
And you don't know how it happens, but it just happens. And that's why you gotta be patient. It is a long process, but you eventually get there, and you get there with a lot of confidence, and you feel really great during the exam, which is what a lot of students experience.
Everybody now.